Adding a stop on Apple Maps is really easy to do. First thing you want to do is once you're on the app and you've actually selected the place you want to go, is let's just say I want to go here. All you do is you click on the drive option and you click on add stop right here, which is on the bottom of the option. Click on add stop and you can actually choose a stop on the map or just click on it and rearrange the order of the stops, and it'll actually rearrange the driving time. And you can just click on go and you're transferred. Adding a stop in Google Maps is really easy to do. First thing you do, you open up Google Maps, and let's just say you want to select a destination you want to go to, where from here you click on directions, and in the top or right hand corner you just click on the three dots. Now when you click on that, we have a bunch of options, but we just want to click on the second one, which is called add stop. When you click on add stop, you can actually search for any stop, or you can actually select any stop on this map that you would actually like to add the stop to, and you can even rearrange the order of these stops once you've actually put some place into the map like so. And you can even do up to 5 stops, I believe. So yeah, when you do that, you can just rearrange the stops, and it's easy to do as that.